Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to stop receiving promotional emails from Aliexpress. How to do this? Let's start. Find any emails of Aliexpress and click on it. Now scroll down the page. Scroll down the page until you reach bottom section of the page. On the bottom section, you will find here unsubscribe option. Click on it. You will be redirect new page. On this page, you can customize Aliexpress emails, and you can also click on unsubscribe option from all type of Aliexpress emails. Now you can see here you are unsubscribed successfully. These simple steps that you can follow to stop receiving emails from Aliexpress. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.